Brave Girl, I have a question. Who do you want to be in September? My name is Laura Hayes. I'm the founder of the Brave Girl Project, and I'm a life coach that helps tween and teen girls. I know that growing up is tough. I know that the past 15 months have been intensely crazy and have shifted your life completely. I want you to join me for a special workshop on Sunday, June 6th from 10:30 to 11:45 a.m. Eastern Time. I have Susan Eckstein, empowerment expert, certified coach, and a world-class speaker. She is coming to help do this workshop with me, and I am so excited. You're going to learn why we often hold ourselves back from the things that we want, how to change those beliefs, and then how to start planting the seeds for what you want in September. You deserve to create this amazing new school year. We have the summer to help get you started. Join us in this fun virtual workshop Sunday, June 6th from 10:30 to 11:45 a.m. Eastern Time. This workshop is for girls in 5th grade on up. If you are in a different part of the world and it's hard for you to wake up at that time, sign up for it anyways, and I'll make sure that you get the recording so that you can do the same exercises when you're ready to wake up. You get to decide who you are in this new school year, but let's start planting those seeds by giving you some of the tools and strategies you will need. Don't miss this workshop. Please feel free to share it with friends. You want? Mom, join us. This will even be good for us adults. Susan has a free tool that you'll also want to make sure that you get. Check it out here. Sometimes you just gotta dance it out.